Hey everybody, welcome to my review of Laut Apple Watch Bands. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a great third-party watch band option and tell you about the various styles they offer, so stay tuned. The great people at Laut recently contacted me telling me about their great watch bands and agreed to send some out for me to review. They sent out a generous sample lot that included 3 styles: their steel loop, the Safari watch band, and active watch band. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to check any of these out. First, I'm going to talk about the Laut Steel Loop. It's quite similar to Apple's Milanese loop. When you put it on your Apple Watch, you really can't tell if it's a Laut or Apple branded watch band. The only real giveaway is the branding on the outside of the magnet closure. Luckily, they sent me the silver one that happens to match my Apple Watch perfectly and looks great. And the one big benefit is the price. It's only $44.99 US compared to the Apple one that's a little over 3 times more expensive, coming in at $149 US. This is a great way to get in on a Milanese type loop without having to spend a fortune, and is a perfect watch band for dressy occasions. It's available in your choice of 4 colors: black, silver, gold, and rose gold. Next, I'm going to talk about the Safari watch band. It's a genuine chunky leather watch band made from top grain vegetable tan leather with a stainless steel clasp and connectors with contrast stitching. For those who like leather watch bands, this is a great quality piece. It's much thicker than most of the leather ones I've seen in the past and has a great quality feel to it. I guess you can get a chunky watch band to go with your chunky sneakers. If you're into the leather watch band experience, this is a very nice and distinctive band for the price at only $54.99 US and comes in your choice of tan or onyx. This band is a much better price than Apple's closest alternative, with the Apple Watch leather band starting at $149 US for the leather loop, and leather Hermes watch bands starting at $339 US. This is a great alternative for the price. And lastly, I'm going to look at the Laut Active Watch Strap. It's designed with mobility in mind and is made from an antibacterial material that can easily be cleaned with a silky smooth texture. They come with stainless steel hardware and in your choice of 5 colors: onyx, dark teal, mint, coral, and taupe. Competitively priced at just $34.99 US, while the official Apple Sport bands are $49 US. They have their own unique style and have a more traditional watch clasp. I found it to be quite practical for the gym. I've been using these 3 watch bands for about a week now, and I've had a pretty good experience with them. I must say my favorite is the Laut Steel Loop, as I personally find it most appropriate for my everyday wear at work and the office. I'm not a huge fan of leather straps myself, but when I wore it, I got a number of compliments from my friends. Overall, I've had a pretty good experience with them, and have found them to be well constructed. I haven't experienced any issues changing them on my Apple Watch. They slide on and off smoothly with no issue. I'd recommend this brand of watch bands if you're in the market to try a third-party watch band, and as a bonus, save yourself some money too. Laut also offers other styles to choose from on their website, including a thinner leather watch band called the Milano, a rugged leather watch band called the Heritage, a woven nylon technical band, and a slender leather padded watch band called the Oxford. Take a look and check them out. You just might find your next Apple Watch band. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.